So, few words about Gujarati Samaj education and the program and the work they have been doing.
I have been associated with the Gujaratis since long time, including my grandfather, he built at Margaon Garden when he was the mayor of Salset with the help of the Gujarati community. And that is how we have a very old relationship and association with them. And I'm very glad that I came here to participate with them and witness their all Goa art, dance and singing competition which they've been organizing. This is the 20th edition, which means they've been doing it for 20th long years. And the joy and satisfaction when you see on the faces of the children, these are special children, that is what gives us a kind of a satisfaction and a happiness. You must understand that special children are special in many ways, and sometimes you require specialists to handle and train them. And I congratulate the Gujarati Samaj and for doing human service in this field and for helping people, for helping the families, helping the children, and having this all Goa competition. We had as many as 13 teams participating, and they all were immersed in it and they were really enjoying the performances. I appeal to each and everyone to come forward and help the Samaj also. They have got very good plans, they have got dreams, they wish to make an extension. So I will appeal to people to generously come forward and help them in their altruistic mission, which is for the benefit of the special children. And they have no hidden agendas, and I know them to be good, and therefore my appeal is, please come forward and help them whatever way you can.
Sir, as you mentioned in your speech, that each child has his own talent. It might be special, or it might be the normal, what we say, privilege. Any message to the parents on regards to this?
Every child, if you look at it, can go through a schooling. Every child can be educated with a graduation. But when you have a special talent, that is where every child has it. It is only hidden. It is not expressed. So I urge every parent, bring your children out. See what is their talent. You don't push what you didn't do. You don't push what you could not do. Don't put your dreams into your child's dream. Let each child have his dream and fulfill it.